There's that silly dragon again. Hey, this is Ben with Studio on the Lake. This little short video here is just shameless production. I'm back from Iowa for about 3-4 days, and I plan on I did some carving yesterday and some carving today, so there'll be some stuff. But hey, here's a pimp for a relative, my daughter's channel that she's just setting up. She moved back from California. She's an illustrator and a theater production person, but she's got some great information on here. So if you guys like, go over and check out her channel. That's in the links down below. This one here, she's doing a little bit of work on Procreate, which I also use. That's how that dragon is created up in the front. So for those of you that are autistic or artistic out there, go over and check that out. The Procreate. I told you I was going to do a little bit of how I do production. Procreate is one of the things I do production, and she does some pretty good videos on there, and her channel's just getting started. She's got 450 plus subscribers. So if you guys like, it doesn't hurt you, go over and check out some of the stuff she's doing. It's completely different from my style, than she is an illustrator. And here's another one of her videos that as she goes through, she's using some technology that I can't operate. She uses Oculus on stuff and does a lot of 3D stuff and that sort of thing. So a warning again, this is only about 4 or 5 minutes long, and I'm just promoting other people, just like we do in all the videos down below. So link to her channel is down in the bottom there. Here's another one of the illustration things that she posted just recently, and I'll show you a little bit of what you'd get if you go over there and check that out. As always, check out Jordy's channel down below, Just Carve Rob, Kyle Hall, all those guys down below. One of the things is, if you're an artist, her stuff is more geared towards artists, and obviously a much younger audience than I do in there. So share it with your kids, your grandkids, if they're into art in any way, shape, or form. She reviews a lot of illustration books and that sort of stuff, and obviously if you're into theater or stage production, she's got some stuff on there too, and she's just getting started. So go over and subscribe to her channel and help her build up and get over that 1,000. So you don't get rich by playing around with YouTube, but it does give you enough money once you get into the advertising realm that you can compensate for some of the equipment that you use in there. And I owe you a bunch of carvings. I've started carving again. Unfortunately, here Friday I'll be back down in Iowa. But this is what's coming. One of the things that's coming is some fairy skulls with bone and pearl. You'll see me carve a couple of those. And then, hey, I'd like you to go over and if you're interested in any of this stuff, here's some of the ceramic stuff I've done. And it's just going to run all the way through here to the end. But there's an Etsy Etsy page where you can purchase these things if you like, and or just take a look at them, give yourself some ideas on what to do. But this is some of the ceramic stuff, and then at the end I'm putting up a few carvings on there also, and that's just getting started. So if you're so inclined, go over there and check that out. Hey, thanks a lot. This has been Ben with Studio on the Lake.